Gold bullion prices dropped more than 1% on Monday as traders awaited clarification from the White House on the U.S. position regarding tariffs on gold bars. This followed a Trump administration ruling on Friday that 1 kilogram and 100-ounce gold bars are subject to levies, propelling gold futures contracts to record highs. The White House intends to issue an executive order in the near future clarifying misinformation about the tariffing of gold bars and other specialty products, a White House official said later on Friday. This comment came after the U.S. Customs and Border Protection Agency, CBP, which had privately informed a Swiss refiner in a letter dated the 31st of July, made its decision public for the first time, as reported by the Financial Times. U.S. gold futures on New York's COMEX exchange fell as much as 2.4% to $3,408 per ounce on Monday, after surging to an all-time high of $3,514 per ounce in the last session. Spot gold also dropped as much as 1.3% to $3,353 per ounce by lunchtime in London, $55 below last Thursday's two-week high. That drop pushed New York premiums, the margin over physical bullion quotes in London, back down to a normalized level of $55 after exceeding $100 last Friday. In April, the Trump administration exempted precious metals from import duties on Liberation Day, pushing the gold spot price down $100 and collapsing the gap between New York COMEX futures and London bullion. This gap, widened by expectations of possible trade duties on bars and ingots, had previously drawn a record quantity of precious metal into the USA. Gold stockpiles in U.S. warehouses approved for COMEX delivery have fallen about 14% from their peak in April, yet over 70% of the year's opening inventory remains in storage. The Swiss Precious Metals Association warned on Friday that the tariff ruling would negatively impact the flow of physical gold around the world. Switzerland, a refining hub that accounts for nearly 70% of global capacity, now faces a crippling 39% charge. According to Bloomberg analysis, this was due to Washington's mistaken inclusion of precious metals shipments in its trade calculations. The London Bullion Market Association, the industry's trade body, said on Friday evening that it was seeking clarification from U.S. authorities. Until then, gold trade between Switzerland and the U.S. is likely to be frozen, said Daniel Hines, senior commodity strategist at ANZ. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.